Nino, strawberries or blackberries? 1, 2, 3 T-birds 4, 5, 6 caw. The floor is lava, how dare 1, 2, 3 T-birds 4, 5, 6 caw. 412 power hour, baby, red or black? UBC only wins big at the Nino, how dare.
What's poppin', y'all? We're joined here by the UBCKGTEAM. We're about to go bowling. Guys, so we have some bad news. Gary, what is the bad news?
It's only 5 pins.
Yeah, we thought it was gonna be 10 pins.
God,
it's only 5 pins.
Yo, we got some white shoes.
Oh my lord.
We're all wearing white.
What the fuck is this? Is your toe talking to me?
Who do you guys think is gonna win today?
You.
I have my money on Maddie.
Thank you.
I know.
Y'all ain't even seen me. Y'all get ready. I'm about to blow up.
All right, Mads, let's go. You got this.
3 hours later.
I'm gonna win.
You're gonna win?
Yeah.
Max, give the vlog an update. What's happening here?
I'm just gonna go on live and say the Caps suck at bowling. You can quite easily see by the score. Max right here is way out in front of everybody else. Liv sucks. Liv's off of this. So yeah, you know, we'll give you a little update in the game.
Hi, I'm winning right now.
We just showed the scoreboard, so they know you're lying.
No, actually, there's a technical difficulty happening. There's a technical difficulty.
Guys.
That's not
Yeah! Beat that! Let's get it! They're tied.
Mika was 20 points ahead and then got 9 points through 3 heads.
What the fuck is wrong with their top?
And you tied Liv?
How are you feeling?
I'm so chapped.
Why are you so chapped though?
Brandon just took the lead.
How do you feel, Brandon?
I'm not far behind.
Oh yeah.
Watch out.
Okay.
Watch out.
You gotta do the leg kick, Sam. Tell us how it's done, Liv.
Right here.
What?
Hi, hello, I just got a strike. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem.
My left hand, y'all. What is going on?
How did that feel? What did you just do?
I think I just got a strike.
Give me a high five. There we go.
My non-dominant hand.
Yes, girl.
I couldn't even hold it. It felt too heavy for this like untrained hand. But I just plug it and it just went.
Can you reenact it for me?
Yeah.
And the Oscar goes to
Mika Fogelman.
What's poppin', y'all? So it's been a very fun night bowling with the KG team. I hope y'all enjoyed the bowling highlight vid. There's actually only 46 days left until Kin Games 2020, so I'm super pumped for that. And tomorrow we're gonna have another dance practice at Formation Studios. And yeah, the team is going to have a good night's sleep. And I'll see y'all tomorrow with another Road to KG experience. Peace.
Is this thing on? Is it on? I don't know if it's on.
I don't know if it's on, but...
Love seeing all these beautiful people in the audience. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna let you finish, but no, this is honestly so nice. Thank you guys. Like, this has honestly been like a highlight for me. Like, I just love being here with you, and like it really just like comes from like the kindness of my heart. I would do it over and over again, like every year, and I feel really loved. I love you guys a lot, and I'm not gonna cry, so I'm just gonna stop.
Oh my god! So what's next on the agenda? Wait, yeah! Ice cream! Outside. Like outside. It's okay.
No, he's a fucking trooper.
Lev, come in, take a photo of us.
Oh wait, I'm gonna take a photo first. 3, 2, 1.
In honor of International Women's Day today, and with our lovely choreographer being a woman, and our captains being women, and everybody here
being women.
And let's be honest here, you guys kind of carried the load for most of the time, the dance.
Amazing.
Who's gonna say that? We have decided to get you all a little gift today, as it is our last practice as well, before we head off to Kin Games.
Can I go home? I'm excited!
Close your eyes, close your eyes.
It's a surprise. It's actually good.
I'm driving. I'm scared. I'm so scared. It better not be nice.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
I'm closing them.
I'm ready to fucking beat all of them.
Wait, he doesn't have one.
No, I do.
Kate, whoa, Kate! Kate! Women's Day, we got you. It's right there.
He looks like a backpacker.
We like to drink with women, because women like to drink. And when we drink with women, the game comes down in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That did it.
Holy shit.
Lots of burps.
Can I get a Hoya?